this is Madhura here. Welcome back to our channel, and if you are new to our channel then please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any of our upcoming videos. Today's video is all about Assam, which is labelled as the gateway to the northeast of India. Assam, a treasure trove of natural beauty and diverse history, is one of the least explored regions of the country, which will surely fascinate you. A land of wild forests, mighty rivers, acres and acres of tea plantation, it has a breathtaking landscape and is known to be one of the top biodiversity hotspots in the entire world. With the majestic Brahmaputra River and magnificent hills, its rich flora and fauna, the state is every tourist's paradise. So, without wasting any more time, let's start exploring the major attractions of Assam. First, we have the Kaziranga National Park. Home to the largest population of the one-horned rhino on earth, it is also one of India's national treasures in terms of flora and fauna. In 1985, it was awarded the status of a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Safaris can be undertaken both during the day and night during the open tourist season. Elephant rides are also very popular. Number 2, we have Manas National Park. This national park is a UNESCO Natural World Heritage Site, a Project Tiger Reserve, an Elephant Reserve and a Biosphere Reserve in Assam. It is the only tiger reserve in Assam and is also famous for the rare golden langur and the red panda. Manas is one of the best kept national parks in India. Third, we have Guwahati Zoo. Established in the year 1958, the Assam State Zoo cum Botanical Garden or the Guwahati Zoo is a wildlife paradise that spreads over an extensive area of 430 acres. The zoo displays exotic and indigenous animals such as one-horned rhinoceros, which is native to the Indian subcontinent, giraffes and ostriches from Africa, and kangaroos from Australia. Number 4, we have Kamakhya Temple. Located on the Nilanchal Hill in the western part of Guwahati, Kamakhya Temple is one of the most revered shrines of goddesses Shakti in India. This temple celebrates the power of women to give birth and is regarded as extremely auspicious among the followers of the Tantric sect of Hinduism. Number 5, we have the Assam State Museum. This museum was established during the colonization of British in India in the year 1940. It offers an extensive collection of artifacts and sculptures dating back to the 5th to 12th century to the new artifacts from the World War II. This museum is a great place to visit if you want a sneak peek of the history of the Northeast India. Number 6, we have Dibru Saikhowa National Park. It is one of those places which has a rich collection of flora and fauna and is also one of the few remaining protected sites in the endemic bird area of the Assamese plains. It is a birdwatcher's paradise. It is a river island national park and one of the 19th biodiversity hotspot in the world. Number 7, we have Hajo. At a distance of about 24 km from the city of Guwahati, Hajo adores the banks of Brahmaputra. An ancient pilgrimage center, its uniqueness is in being an attraction for 3 religions, Hindu, Muslim and Buddhists. Shrines dedicated to Durga, Shiva, Vishnu, Buddha and major Muslim saints are found all over the place, making it an important pilgrimage center for all 3 religions. Number 8, we have Toklai Tea Center. Toklai Tea Research Center is a laboratory and research institution situated near River Toklai in Jorhat, Assam. It was established in the year 1911. This tea station is marked as one of the largest and oldest tea station in the world and definitely a must-visit spot for all the tea lovers. Number 9, we have Guwahati Planetarium. It is one of the best astronomical research center in whole northeast region of the country. Installed with advanced technology from Japan, the planetarium organizes regular shows, seminars and workshops for visitors. Number 10, we have Majuli, the world's largest freshwater island. Majuli is a lush green environment friendly, a pristine and population free freshwater island in the river Brahmaputra. It is also called the cultural capital of Assam. Number 11, we have Sivsagar. Dating back to the Ahom dynasty, this cultural town is full of historic tourist attraction, forts with underground architecture to numerous temples. Number 12, we have Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary. Home to the densest population of one-horned rhinos in the world, this wildlife sanctuary also sees an astounding diversity of bird species. It is also called Bharatpur of the East. Apart from the wildlife sanctuary itself, there are several excursions that you can take from Pobitora. Number 13, we have Umananda Island. The smallest river island in the world, Umananda Island lies at the heart of the mighty Brahmaputra river. It was known as Peacock Island among the British colonists, who named it so based on its shape. The major attraction of the island is the Umananda Devi temple. Number 14, we have Nemri National Park. It is famous for its elephants and other animals including tigers, leopards, wild pigs, sambars, etc. and also for being a bird watcher's paradise. Safaris are available and are the most popular way to create a trip full of excitement into the national park. And lastly, number 15, we have Suarkuchi. It is a small sleepy village that displays the culture and tradition of Assam in its best form. The weaving village is, however, best known for its silk and craftsmanship, for producing one of the best kind of silk in the state and thus earning itself a nickname of Manchester of East.
Hope you all have enjoyed our video. Please stay tuned.